Hello everyone. Today we will start your new chapter, that is chapter 3, population composition. The term or the word population composition means various factors which influence population of a particular area or a country. So they can be studied with the term of sex composition, their literacy rate, and their rural urban composition, and their occupational structure, and age sex pyramid. So we will study these composition in detail in this chapter. So first is sex composition or gender composition. So the number of women and men in a country, they are important demographic features or characteristics. So the ratio between number of women and men in the population is called the sex ratio. In some country it is calculated by the formula male population divided by female population into 1000, that is number of males per 1000 females. But in our country, in India, it is calculated by number of total females population upon total male population into 1000, or the number of females per 1000 males. So the sex ratio is an important information about the status of women in a country. The condition or of women in our country is very deteriorated, or they face discrimination in many aspects of life. They In our country there are some areas where female foeticide, female infanticide, and domestic violence is present. Female foeticide is the killing of female child or female fetus in during the time of pregnancy, or done by the abortion. And female infanticide is the killing of girl child during as infant or as a small child. And women generally face domestic violence in India. This could be the reason of socio-economic status of women in these areas. In fact, women have natural advantage, they have biological advantage over male, as they tend to be more resilient than males. Yet this advantage is cancelled out by the social disadvantages and discrimination that they face. What we mean by resilient is they have more patience, and they after facing discrimination or domestic violence, they they remain calm. So on an average, the world population reflects a sex ratio of 102 males per 100 females. These are some important facts. You must remember them and note down. The highest sex ratio in the world has been recorded in Latvia, where there are 85 males per 100 females, and in contrast, Qatar, there are 311 males per 100 females. So these two country names you must remember for the factual information. The sex ratio is favorable for females in 139 countries of the world, and unfavorable by 72 countries listed by United Nations, that is UN. In general, Asia has low sex ratio. Countries like China, India, our country is also in low sex ratio. Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Afghanistan have low sex ratio. Whereas European countries, including Russia, with vast geographical area, is have highest or higher grade sex ratio as comparison to Asian countries. So next composition we will study about age structure. So age structure represents the number of people of different age group. This is important indicator of population composition. So this can be divided into three different structure, that is 0 to 15 year, that is treated as a child or student level population. Then 15 to 59, that is working population. then above 60 years represent aging population. So aging population and 0 to 15, that is child population, require more attention. They need more expenditure on healthcare facilities. So a high proportion of young population means that high birth rate and population is youthful. Our country is also in the composition of working age group. We have largest number of working people in the world. Then the next term is age sex pyramid. So the age structure of population refers the number of females and males in different age groups. So we will study different type of pyramid and the composition of age structure through these diagrams or through these pyramids. You have to remember the shape of these pyramids, and you have to comparison the birth rate and death rate of these countries or by the help of these pyramids, with comparison to male and female population. So in the first, that is 3.1 figure, in this one, it has been taken the example of Nigeria. So the age sex pyramid of Nigeria, you will see a triangular shaped pyramid with a wide base. With a wide base means they have high birth rate. So they have larger population in lower age group, that is 0 to 15 age group. And countries like Bangladesh and Mexico have same age group as comparison to Nigeria. You can see this diagram with the help of male and female population. First, that is 0 to 4 age group. Here males are around 12% and females are 11%. Then so on, like 60 to 64 age group, it is around 2%, and same with females number. So it is known as expanding population. Here population is expanding. Next is constant population. We have also studied this in the last chapter, that is demographic transition theory. It has some similar approach in studying these pyramids. So next is constant population. So Australia has been taken the example of this type of population. It is bell shaped and tapered towards the top. It shows that birth and death rate are almost equal, leading to a near constant population. You can take the example of 30 to 34 age group years. Here number of males are 5% and females are also 5%. So they are almost same. So next is declining population. This one. Here we have taken the example of Japan. So Japan pyramid has a narrow base and tapered top, showing low birth rate and low death rate. Means they have developed countries usually have zero negative. In the last chapter we have studied that Europe and Northern American countries is increasing with the 0.1 and 0.8% respectively in terms of population. So they have better health and education facilities, so the population is declining. So last topic today we will study is aging population. So population aging is the process by which the share of older population become proportionally larger, that is age group above 60. So they are not working people and they are more dependent to working class, so they require more attention for medical facility or healthcare facilities. You can take the example of Italy. When the COVID-19 or the coronavirus started, so Italy had shown the more number of death rate as comparison to other countries because of its aging population. So Italy can be the example of this type of population. Thank you, children.